It's recording now. It's recording now. So what I'm
Thank
going to do,
you.
first of all, I'm gonna go through the legitimacy of this product. The product is coin. The product is Bitcoin. So first thing in first, let me just go to on Coin Market Cap. What is Coin Market Cap? Let me share my screen. Coin Market Cap is a website owned by Binance and is owned by Binance. So let me just go on to Coin Market Cap. Okay, this is Coin Market Cap where you will find each and every coin. Any coin which is being traded on open market on those exchanges, you can locate them. If a coin isn't on Coin Market Cap, please do not consider that that is cryptocurrency. Okay, I'm saying it again. There are many coins available in the market. They are claiming or they claim they will come in Coin Market Cap, but it many of them they won't not happen. So make sure whenever you find any coin, it has to be on Coin Market Cap. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this coin. You can see there's a drop down. Okay, good. So I have entered Bitcoin on a search bar, and you can see today's price. Today price is 41 cent. The price is live on Coin Market Cap. We started literally a month ago with the price of 20 cent in euros. Today price has gone up 100 times. Now let's check where this coin is being traded. You click on market pairs, go to buy adjusted volume, and you will see our coin has been traded on two external cryptocurrency exchanges. Number one, Bialexi. Number two, FATBTC. Okay, now I'm gonna share with you very exciting news that those two exchanges are top 10 exchanges in the coin market cap. Maybe this is nothing for you, but talk to those people who are crypto expert. A coin just born literally 4 weeks ago, and that coin is being traded on top 10 exchanges in the coin market cap. This is a massive thing. There are coin more than a year, more than a 2 year. They don't even in top 100 exchanges. So which shows the credibility, the business model, the longevity of this trade. Okay, I'm gonna go to rank, and here I'm going to click on adjusted volume. Those are the exchanges, top exchanges in the world. So our coin on Bialexi. Number fifth, number fifth in the crypto market. Look at the volume, 24 hour, 2.5 billion US dollar. You click on Bialexi, go to Bialexi, go to exchange, type in here, type in Bitcoin. See, you can see Bitcoin right here, Bitcoin. So you can buy and sell Bitcoin against BTC. So our coin has been fully traded on Bialexi for more than 2 weeks now. Let me go back. And we are in another exchange, which is what? FATBTC. Let me go to FATBTC. Rank, adjusted volume. No, let's check. FATBTC is number 8th today. Guys, how good is that? We are in Bialexi. We are in FATBTC. Click FATBTC, open the website, and you can type in our name. You will see that we are being traded as well. Now, We have our own exchange. Our own exchange is called biz.exchange. This is our own exchange. No, let me tell you one thing. To launch a coin, maybe it's not that hard. To open an exchange, to launch an exchange, first of all, you need lots of capital. You need license. It's not easy to open exchange. And I can tell you very proudly that BizTrade has its own exchange. Bitcoin has its own exchange. Check. And there are other currencies are being traded as well. Now, next, I want to talk about what are usability. Before that, let me go through Bitcoin website. I want to go through the white paper. This is our website. You can see our plans, roadmap. Let me show you white paper. Now, Godsend and my other fellow leaders, you must pay attention on our white paper. I tell you why. I tell you why you need to pay. Let me share with you the roadmap. Companies come, they promise they will deliver. They will do that in future. But whatever they said, they have delivered. Whatever is there on the white paper, they have delivered. Let me show you. Quarter 2020, we have launched BizWallet. We have launched Biz Exchange, BizMart, BizTravel. I ring you back, Jesse, please. Yeah? I'm in the room.
All right.
Thank you. Now, second quarter 22, brother. We are in we are not even second quarter. We are literally end of first quarter. We already launched Biz POS. We already launched Biz ATM. Now, third quarter, we're going to launch Biz Gaming. We're going to launch our own bank. 2020 end, remittance, Biz Lending, Biz Finance, Masternode. So those two we have already achieved. Done, dusted. Following we are going to achieve. So this is the white paper. All the company founders, most of them, they are from UK. They are expert in this industry. Paul Chamber, this guy has trading school. He's from Wales, from Cardiff. Mr. Brooks, trading school from Manchester. Felix from Spain. This is IT expert. UK, this is my friend. I know them very well. Very, very, very well. So because of what we have achieved, because of our future projects, because of legitimacy, those exchanges have offered us to live on their platform. Now I'm going to talk about our usability. What is our usability? We have our own decentralized wallet. This is our own wallet. Our wallet is available on Apple Store and on Android. Now, I can guarantee you on this, there are not many coins who are available on App Store. In Apple. Android, you can find many. Apple, they don't give you app very soon. Second thing, our app is decentralized, like a Trezor. Okay, if you have coin in Bitcoin app, no one has control a part of you. Company do not have access. In our app, you can store other coin as well. So it's like a Trezor. It's like your own wallet. Now I'm gonna share with you why our coin has an edge on other coins. Why our coin is likely to be increased in price in future? Because we have usability. Because we can use our coin to buy things. We can use our coin to purchase airline tickets, to book hotel. We have cash machine. So now I'm gonna show you some of the usability of our coin, which is live already. Biz travels. Now, right, Biz Travel. This is our own online platform where you can use 100% Bitcoin to buy airline ticket. Okay, let's demonstrate. I wanna fly from London, Heathrow to Lagos. When I don't know flights are available or not because of lockdown, but let's see. 20. Search.
Please wait. We are searching for the best airfares. Thank you for waiting. Our search engine has found following flights with best airfare.
Okay, let's say I'm gonna book this. Turkish Airlines. Good. Okay, what we need to do, we need to sign in as a guest. Okay. Where's UK, UK, UK? I can't see UK here. Too long list, man. Or let's say Ireland, yeah, whatever. Whatever. Okay, as a guest. Bro, what does it say? Godsend, what does it say? Pay with Bitcoin, yeah?
Pay with Bitcoin.
Okay, now, how much I need? Okay, pay with Bitcoin, yeah? So what I need to do, I'll fill everything. After that, click on Bitcoin. What is here, brother? You will get 10% discount. Proceed to payment. I need to fill this. Mean any flight you're going to book through Bitcoin, from that side, you get 10% guaranteed cheaper price than booking.com and then Skyscanner. You can book your hotel room as well. Let's talk about other website. www.bizsmartdirect.com. Our Bitcoin, you can use them on all the retailers, Starbucks, Tesco, Asda, Hotel.com, Amazon.com, Royal Caribbean. After that, you can Eurostar, PlayStation, Apple, everywhere. For example, if you wanna Arsenal, UK Arsenal voucher, Harvester. After that, for example, you want Costa Coffee, Adidas, click on Adidas. I wanna buy shoes. Okay, I can convert my Bitcoin into voucher. So let's say £50 worth of ad. Click. Mean I need to have 163 Bitcoin. So I'll open my wallet, Bitcoin wallet, send 150 Bitcoin to them, and then I'll get Adidas £50 voucher so I can spend. So this is called usability. Our coin accept on more than 100 retailer in the world for the time being. Let's talk about next. Okay, I'll forget, and let me tell you, otherwise I'll forget. So today I post this in the group. They paid me They paid me 15,000 euro as a car bonus. It was in the group. So within a month, I won a car as well. I was just thinking in my back head. Now, what I'm going to do? What I need to do now, I need to share some of the slides. Share, share, share. Let's talk about passive income. Okay. Our head office is in Birmingham. We have offices Estonia, UAE, London, and USA. Leadership, I'm not going to talk about because I'm not presenting you. I'm just going to go through at a glance. Bitcoin history, other coin, Bitcoin, ecosystem. I explained you, we have own wallet, own exchange. Yes, I forgot to tell you that we have our own cash machine right now installed in Birmingham and in Cardiff. The third one going to be in London very soon. And then all over the world. Mean if you have Bitcoin in your Bitcoin wallet, you can go to cash machine and you can withdraw cash. Then I went through biztravels.com. I went through our online platform. Then our future project. I did mention gaming coming in 3 months time. We already have our character out there. It's called Biscu. Then our bank will be launched in 6 months time. And how company make money through arbitrage trading. What is arbitrage? This is trading only in cryptocurrency industry. This trading done by bots. Those bots are connected with number of exchanges and they do multiple transactions in 1 second and they generate profit. Then other revenue we do forex trading as well. Then our biz exchange, our exchange, then our online platform, Bizmart, Biztravel. So those are the different avenues where we make money as a company. Now, let's talk about next. Today, our back office price is 35 cents. You can locate this price from on CoinMarketCap, coincago.com, by Lexi. We are in Fat BTC. We are in our own exchange. But good news is that in open exchange price is high. So we have an opportunity buy coin from the back office at cheaper price and we can sell if we want at higher price outside. Now, package is available from 50 euro to 25,000 euro. I always encourage to my investor, try to start with the minimum 500 euros. Why? The higher package you go, there's higher percentage for you on daily basis. Brother, my dear leader, I wanna emphasize on that slide. There are many companies out there, they pay you 1% a day, they pay you 2% a day, but those companies, they do not stay for long. We are not here for a season, we are here for a reason. We are a legit platform, we are a legit company. If I talking to my network fellows, guys, we can seek our network carrier in this company. This company will live long. They have limitation on their compensation plan. They do not pay stupid money on daily basis, which is untrue, which is which is not true. What company does? They many companies, they come, they pay 1%, 2% a day, pay lots of money first month, second month, you know, collect lots of money all over the world, feed feed to the top leader, feed them, you know, bribery them, you know, just call them on holidays, and those poor leader, they just, you know, put fire on their countries and bring momentum. They just, you know, recruit many people, get too much investment and put in the company pocket, and then company after 3 6 months run away, and then you and I, we have to answerable to our community. So guys, I beg you, do not follow those companies. We are a real company. Our profit is very reasonable. Let's say on €1,000 they pay 0.6% a day. Mean you're going to make €4 to €5 a day, sometimes €6 a day. On €5,000 you make €20 to €25 a day. On €10,000 up to 0.8% mean €80 a day, €70 a day. So higher package you go, there's higher percentage for you. And company pay 52 weeks a year, but on €25,000 package, they pay 72 weeks a year. Now, what the uniqueness we have on other compensation plan, that our company pay 5 days a week, other company do pay 5 days a week, but they don't give withdraw facility on daily basis. Our company give us facility, give us an opportunity to withdraw on daily basis. Mean every day, whatever money we make, we can withdraw to our bank account, Nigerian account, US account, or we can withdraw in our Bitcoin wallet. Okay, I just wanna share one thing. Let me unmute Godsend. Godsend, can you unmute yourself?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Okay. Godsend, who is from USA right now in this call?
Mr. Steve. Mr.
Okay.
Steve.
Mr. Steve, can you hear us?
Yes, I
Good.
can.
Mr. Steve, in USA, we have one of the office in USA. And let me give you a good news. All the USA member, they can deposit money to Chase Bank. You know Chase Bank?
Chase Bank?
Chase Bank. Do you know Chase Bank in USA?
Yeah. Chase Bank.
Now, I want to share with you something. There's a lady I signed up yesterday from Dallas, and she's going to put £5,000, €5,000. So I send her this Chase Bank details. Check. Go and check my mobile. So if you are in USA, you can deposit money in Chase Bank. In Chase Bank. And you can buy the package. You can buy the package. Do you know what does it mean? We have a banking facility. Our member can deposit money to company account. We have account in USA. We have Swiss account. We have Euros account. We have British account. We have UAE account. We have Indian account. So our company has solid platform. And if you are from USA, you have an opportunity to buy the package. While you are in US, you can deposit money in USA bank account. How good is that? This is unbelievable. Trust me. No, I have muted all of you. Corson, did you get that? Good.
Yes,
No.
yes, I know.
Good, good. Now, what I'm going to talk about, I want to talk about how our profits works. Let's say daily profit is being paid in Bitcoin equivalent to the percentage of package price. How? Let's say if you come with a trader package, which is 5,000 euro, the coin price is 35 cents. How many coins you gonna get? 14,000 coins. Company going to hold those coins for 1 year and they release you after 1 year. But they pay you daily profit. How much daily profit? Let's say 0.5% on 5,025 euro. Let's calculate monthly profit. How much is monthly profit? If they pay you 0.5% a day, 5 days a week, mean daily they're going to pay you 5.5%, monthly they're going to pay you 10% on average, more or less, approximately. Mean monthly profit would be accumulated by 550 euro. And how many coins? 1571 coins. Now, you can play with it very smartly and you can increase your profit. How? Steven, let's say you earned 1500 coin in month of April. You can convert into euros and withdraw to your bank every day. Or you let them accumulate. Your 20 days profit accumulated 1571 coin. You don't want to convert today in month of April. You want to wait another month. Maybe in month of May or June, price gone up to 45 cent from 35 cent. And you would like to convert your coins into euros. 1571 multiply 45 cent, profit will be 700 euros. Mean if you would have converted your coin and would have withdrawn to your bank in April, that would give you almost 500 euros. You waited for a month. You converted in month of May next month and you had 700 euros. Mean you making money in April, don't withdraw. Withdraw May. You making money in May, don't withdraw in May. Withdraw in June. If you do like that, in 6 to 7 months time, you're likely to get your money back. And in 2 years time, hopefully you may double your money in 2 years time. And this money is in your pocket. After 1 year, what's gonna happen? Company going to give you your coin back to your wallet. Now this is your asset. You can sell in open exchange with 2 euro, with 1 euro, depend on price. Imagine Bitcoin today, $10,000. Maybe you wanna keep Bitcoin for next 5 years. Maybe in 5 years time, each coin hit $100, 100 euro, and you can make millions out of it, brother. I'm telling you, this is no brainer. This is win-win-win situation. So up to now, you don't have to bring people. Up to now, passive income. And then you can network, you can bring people, you can make really good money. We have direct bonus 10%. We have team bonus 10%. We have matching bonuses. We have renewal bonuses. We have rewarding recognition. You can see. I won this car last month. Company gave 27 car last month. So company is here to stay. And last but no least, I will support you that nobody has ever supported you before, I promise. I can get things done on immediate basis. Okay, I need your participation. You need to come on board. Okay, with honesty, with a fair heart. I guarantee you, I promise you, I won't let you down. and I give you my 100% transparency. This is I guarantee you. Now I'm gonna share with you my back office. I wanna compare our back office to other companies out there. Okay. Share back office, share back office, share back office. Gorson, are you there? Okay, brother, let me unmute you. Guys, I need everyone concentration, please. I need everyone concentration here.
We are here with you. Go ahead.
Good. Today, they paid me car bonus 15,000 euro. Today. And look, the money I have made in last 4 weeks, 35,000 euro. My own account, 5,000 euro. And daily money I am making, I'll show you. Profit share. This is my daily money, 24, 22. I show you other money. Go to second. My daily income. See? You can see my daily income. So this is my daily profit in coin. So what I'm going to do, I'm accumulating. I'm not withdrawing. Next month, whatever coin I have in my wallet, profitable, I'll withdraw at higher price. So I may be able to make more money than 25 euros. And then this is your buy direct. I show you withdrawal system. I click on my earning, my withdrawal. You can withdraw to your bank straight away. I show you my couple of withdrawal. On May, withdrawal 3,000 pounds to my bank account. Go back. On 24th of March, I withdraw 2,000 pounds, 250 to my bank account. So the back office is brilliant. Our KYC system is done by third party. And company pay binary every night. Company pay profit every day on investors. And this is my everyday pay slips. You get pay slip every day. This is my pay slip on 22nd of April. This is money I made, matching bonus, binary bonus, blah, blah, blah. Guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish the recording and then we'll have a question and answer session, yeah?
All right.